grandmother who says that she's never golfed before. We lined up a 25-footer, and this didn't take long. Sarah stepped up, and you've got to be kidding me. Kerplunk! I still had a chance to tie her and send it to a sudden death playoff. Oh, looks good. Baccarat. It was time to take on Sarah's grandma, Marlene, in the putting contest. She doesn't golf. Maybe I have a chance. The loser had to do animal noises. And sorry, Grandma, but you grew up on a farm. You ought to be good at animal noises. Cow noise. Moo. Pig. Chicken noise. A horse. How about a dog? I don't know. Afterwards, Grandma says, this isn't going to be on TV, is it? We just bought the camera for fun.